Welcome back to Meaningful Days and Meaningful Creations. I'm Sandy Miller and this is Chloe, my assistant today. You want to say hi to anybody?
Hi.
Hi. We are back at Meaningful Days where there's lots of stuff going on in January of 2019 as usual. We've started an after-school program in Indianapolis, which we're really excited about. If you're interested, please call our office 317-858-8630. We do offer one-on-one client staff ratio from 3 to 6 p.m. for any kids who might need supports after school. We also are hiring music and rec therapists for our program, and we also can be followed on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube and Instagram if you'd like to follow us. Today we're making this really cool project. It is a waterless snow globe, so you don't have to worry about the water spilling. So you just start with this lovely little, basically any little jar. And as usual, my Nina, who is my craft queen, she was nice enough to get all this started for us. So she took the lid and she painted it, what color?
White.
She painted it white for us, so we didn't have to do that, which is really cool. So we're going to start with that. And then we have these really cool miniatures that, because this is, my whole thing is that you can do crafts, super simple, super cheap. So these came from the dollar store, and we're going to open them up because we want to use any of them that we want to. So we've got bridges and we've got trees, and Chloe's going to pick out 3 of them that we're going to put on our lid here. She's going to pick out whatever she wants. So we got people. Ooh, look, we got cool people here. We got a little girl, we got a mom and a dad. We got all kinds of things. Okay, so what people, and we're going to glue them. Dun, 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 dun. Glue. What do you want in here? Okay, put it on the glue. Put it in there. I'm just glopping glue in here, and she's going to put everything in here where she wants it. Do-do-do. Super simple craft that just about anybody can do. What else you want? You want to put a bridge in there? Okay, let's put that in there. Ooh, I like what you did. So now we have our characters in here, and now we have our wonderful, this is faux snow, not the real thing, because it would melt. We're going to put some in here, and I think I'm going to put a little glue on top here so that we can make it look like there's like some snow here on our tree, and maybe a little on our bridge. Is that okay, Chloe? Can I put a little? That's okay?
That's
all right.
fine.
I think we may be out of glue, but that's okay. Ah! I'll try not to burn down the Meaningful Days building. So we're gonna put, ooh, yeah, see? Now we got some snow on there. Okay, so, okay, this will be interesting. Now I'm going to put it together with the faux snow. And then we're going to take the nice trim here, and we're going to put a bow around it. Okay? Is that all right? What do you think?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to try anyways. Let's see here. Well, it looks like they just wrapped it twice, unlike me who was trying. Oh, I guess I can just use one. And we're going to tie a bow here, make it look really snappy. And then Chloe is going to, she's going to shake it and show you how well it works. Because by now, hopefully that glue is dry. And hopefully the characters won't go flying everywhere. Okay, you want to give it a try? Give it a shake, see if our snow flies. Oh, look! It does! What do you think? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, this has been Sandy and Chloe at Meaningful Days. We're happy to have spent time with you here in January. It's nice and cold. We look forward to seeing you in February, where I bet you we're going to do something for, what's the holiday in February? Do you remember?
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day! Yes, one of my favorites. We'll probably do something for Valentine's Day in February. So we'll look forward to seeing you then. Take care. Bye-bye.